Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix server error or 403 error in Elementor. So if you are facing that error in Elementor, so the first step you need to go on to the WordPress, and if you install any security plugin you simply need to disable that and hopefully your issue got resolved. But if you are still facing an issue, you simply need to come on to the Elementor and go on to the support tab and contact the support team, and you need to mention the issue, that is server error. Let me select that, copy that, paste it here. So here you need to here you need to mention and you will get the issue. But let's suppose if you not find an issue here, click on find an expert, click on get started, and basically you need to contact with the support team. So once you contact with the support, they will help you to resolve that issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.